Lesson 28. Orimas, oriru, to sell, be sold. Example, kono pan wa yoko orimas. This bread sells well. Used when something is popular or in demand. Odorimas, to dance. Kanojo wa totemo juzo ni odorimas. She dances very well. Kamimas, to chew, bite. Example, tabi mo no o yoko kandi kudasai. Please chew your food well. Can be used for both chewing and biting. Irabimas, to choose. Example, presento o irabimas. I will choose a present, used when making a choice or selection. Kayoimas, to go to and from university, etc. Example, Mainichi de gakko ni kayoteimasu. I commute to university every day. Describes routine commuting. Memo shimasu, to take a memo. Example, Joyo na koto o memo shimasu. I will take a memo of important things. To make notes or jot something down. Majime, serious. Example, Kari wa majime na gakusei desu. He is a serious student. Refers to someone diligent or focused. Nishin, earnest, enthusiastic. Example, Nishin ni benkyou shiteimasu. I am studying earnestly. Describes someone's passionate attitude. Irai, great, admirable. Example, Kari wa hontou ni irai desu. He is truly admirable. Used to praise someone. Chudo i, just right, proper. Example, kono kotsu wa chudo ii desu. These shoes fit just right. Used when something fits or works perfectly. Keishiki, scenery, view. Example, Yama no keshiki ga kirei desu. The mountain scenery is beautiful. Refers to a natural landscape or scene. Bio-in, hair salon. Example, Bio-in de kami o kirimashita. I got my hair cut at the hair salon. A place where beauty treatments, especially haircuts, are done. Daidokoro, kitchen. Example, Haha wa daidokoro ni imasu. My mother is in the kitchen. Refers to the room where food is prepared. Keiken, experience. Example, Ryoko no keiken ga arimasu. I have travel experience. Refers to knowledge gained through activities. Chikara, power, strength. Example, Kari wa chikara ga tsuyoi desu. He is very strong. Describes both physical and figurative strength. Ninki, popularity. Kari wa gakusei ni ninki ga arimasu. He is popular among students. Describes something or someone well liked. Katachi, form, shape. Kono katachi ga suki desu. I like this shape. Iro, color. Nani iro ga suki desu ka? What color do you like? Aji, taste, flavor. Kono ryori no aji wa oishii desu. This dish tastes delicious. Describes the flavor of food or drink. Gamu, chewing gum. Gamu o kamimasu. I chew gum. Shinamono, goods, products. Kono mise de wa iro iro na shinamono ga arimasu. This shop has various goods. Nedan, price. Kono ka ba no nedan wa ikura desu ka? How much is the price of this bag? Kyoryo, salary. Kongetsu no kyoryo ga haita. This month's salary has been received. Bonus. Bonus o moraimashita. I received a bonus. Game, computer game. Kari wa maiban game o shimasu. He plays games every night. Bangomi, TV program. Terebi no bangomi o meron no ga suki desu. I like watching TV programs. Dorama. Kono drama wa totemo ninki ga arimasu. This drama is very popular. Shousetsu, novel. Watashi wa shousetsu o yumu no ga suki desu. I like reading novels. Shousetsuka, novelist. Kari wa yomi na shousetsuka desu. He is a famous novelist. Kashu, singer. Watashi wa ano kashu ga suki desu. I like that singer. Moscow, son, my son. Moscow wa daigakushei desu. My son is a university student. Moscow-san, someone else's son. Kari no Moscow-san wa icha desu. His son is a doctor. Mosumi, my daughter. Mosumi wa koukosei desu. My daughter is a high school student. Mosumi-san, someone else's daughter. Kanojo no Mosumi-san wa kekkon shimashita. Her daughter got married. Jibun, oneself. Jibun o shinjite kudasai. Please believe in yourself. Shorai, future. Shorai no yomi wa issho desu. My dream for the future is to be a doctor. Shibaraku, a little while. Shibaraku omachi kudasai. Please wait for a little while. Daitai, usually, mostly. Daitai mainichi undo shimasu. I usually exercise every day. Sorry ne, in addition. Sorry ne, kare mo koro yuttei desu. In addition, he also expected to come. Sorry de, and so. Sorry de, tsugi no kaigi wa itsu desu ka? And so, when is the next meeting? Used to conclude or summarize. Onegai, request, favor. Chutto onegai ga arimasu. I have a small favor to ask. Jitsu wa. As a matter of fact, Jitsu wa watashi wa Nihon ga suki desu. As a matter of fact, I like Japan. Kaiwa, conversation. Nihongo de kaiwa o shimashou. Let's have a conversation in Japanese. Um, well, let me see. Hmm. Do shiyou kana? What should I do? An expression used to show thought or hesitation. Oshirasi, notice. Oshirasi ga arimasu. I have a notice. Refers to information that is being communicated. Sankashimasu. Evento ni sankashimasu. I will participate in the event. He, date. 今日の日付は何ですか? What is today's date? 土曜日, Saturday. 土曜日に会いましょう. Let's meet on Saturday. 体育館. 体育館でバスケットボールをします. I play basketball in the gymnasium. 無料, free of charge. このイベントは無料です. This event is free of charge. 招待します. Invite. Ask someone to join. 友達を招待します. I will invite my friends. イベント, event. そのイベントは面白いです. That event is interesting. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. またね